Hi everyone, Chandra Lucariello here, mixologist for Southern Glazer's Wine and Spirits, and I'm here to share a fun Halloween/fall, very festive cocktail with you called Hocus Pocus. So let's go ahead and get started. The star of the show today is Koʻolau Distillery's Old Poly Road whiskey. This is a locally made whiskey right in Kaneohe. Two Marine veterans who just love Hawaii and love whiskey. It's a lighter style, so that's why I'm doing a cocktail that's actually more refreshing. Even though it has these beautiful, rich fall flavors, it'll be really refreshing to drink on an everyday basis. So we're gonna start off with some fresh orange. I have 3 slices of Cara orange. This style, it's a little bit darker in color, as you can kind of see. And it has a little more tart acidity to it. It's not so super sweet like a navel, but if all you have is navel, that'll work as well. I'm gonna do a half an ounce of fresh lemon juice. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure that in my jigger, because every lemon is different. Some of them are very juicy, some of them are really dry. So we wanna make sure we have the right amount of balance, tart and sweet. I'm gonna add a half an ounce of a homemade syrup that I made, which I'll provide the recipe, of course. This is a roasted pumpkin spice syrup. So we're gonna get all those flavors of the fall into our cocktail. And just a couple of dashes of classic Angostura to pump up those Christmas clove allspice flavors. So I'm gonna muddle just the lemon and syrup with my orange. I don't want it too full, because that way it can get a little messy. So I'm just gonna do a quick muddle, and then I'm gonna add the rest of my spirits before I add the ice. So I like a little extra bitter, so I'm gonna use Campari. It's gonna give it a beautiful color. If you don't like too bitter, the Aperol will also work perfectly fine. A half an ounce of that. And then because our whiskey tends to be on the lighter side, and we do want this cocktail to cast a spell on us, we're gonna add a full 2 ounces of the Old Poly Road. This cocktail is gonna be shaken and poured over a nice large ice cube so we can enjoy it and sip on it on the veranda. I don't know if we're gonna have trick-or-treaters this year, but we'll make the best of it with our local whiskey cocktail. Then nice shake, get it emulsified. We're going to go ahead and strain over a nice large ice cube. I like to support local even with the ice that I buy, so I'm using Ice Cubes HAWAIʻI clear ice. I'm gonna strain that over my ice. And then we're gonna garnish with a little rosemary for color and aromatic, thin orange slice, and a star anise. And here we have Hocus Pocus. Cheers.